Adam Peaty has enjoyed a glittering career in swimming, winning 3 Olympic gold medals with Team GB. But he has endured a tough time away from the pool. Olympic champion Adam Peaty has revealed how celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay helped rescue him from the deep, dark hole of depression as he started his relationship with the TV star's daughter. The 3-time Olympic gold medalist with Team GB, who competed in Paris just last year, has enjoyed a stellar swimming career spanning numerous victories. The 30-year-old first achieved Olympic success at the 2016 Rio Games, securing gold in the 100 meters breaststroke and silver in the 4x100 meters medley relay. Before delivering a spectacular performance at the Tokyo Olympics in 2020, he departed Japan clutching gold medals in both the 100 meters breaststroke and the 4x100 meters mixed medley relay, alongside another silver in the 4x100 meters medley. Additionally, Peaty demonstrated excellent form at last year's Paris Games, claiming silver in the 100 meters breaststroke after being narrowly defeated by Italy's Niccolò Martinenghi. Nevertheless, existence beyond the swimming pool hasn't always been plain sailing for Peaty, who descended into a downward spiral of depression and alcoholism when his 8-year winning streak ended at the 2022 Commonwealth Games. Simultaneously, he also parted ways with his son's mother, the aquatic superstar, characterized the period that followed as 3 years of hell before eventually getting his professional life back on course when he began a relationship with Gordon Ramsay, daughter of television chef Gordon. The pair initially encountered each other when Holly's sibling, Tilly, participated alongside him on the 2021 series of Strictly Come Dancing, with a romantic connection between Adam and Holly developing 2 years afterwards.